Hi guys, and welcome back. So this is the unboxing video that I said about in my last video. So if you guys haven't seen it, I did my Apple products collection, and I did say that I would do an unboxing video with my iPad and that. My iPad still hasn't actually come, but we do actually have my Apple Pencil as well as my case and my screen protector, so I will be unboxing them. And then when my iPad comes, I will film going to collect it, and then I will also film everything that yet. So it's currently not even out for delivery yet, so if it doesn't come today, then I will film it tomorrow morning and get that all out by you guys by probably Saturday, maybe Sunday. Let's get on with the video. So I have my case and my screen protector, as well as my Apple Pencil and a nice case. So the first thing we're going to open is my iPad case. So I didn't actually get anything too fancy for my iPad. All I got was this nice light blue case with a clasp, and it's actually magnetic on the inside, so it connects really easily to my iPad. The next thing I actually bought was my paper-like screen protector. I wanted this because although it is actually like £34 on Amazon for the UK, I wanted it because I prefer writing like paper, and I felt like it would come in really handy for the 4 years I'm going to be doing at university, and considering I'm going to be writing a lot of notes, it just felt right to get. So my Apple Pencil was actually the first product that I bought before I got my iPad, because I knew that I would get the iPad Pro anyway. So all this is literally just me trying to figure out how to undo the box. Being a super idiot and not realising, all I had to do was actually pull it out. Just a casual little show into the camera. I obviously got the Apple Pencil 2nd generation because it's the only one that will fit with my iPad, and it just magnetically attaches to the iPad when I want to charge it and to just keep it safe. I also got these very cute Apple Pencil sleeves from Aha Style. I also got these off of Amazon. These were literally just silicone material, and you can get them in any 2 colours that you want. I got blue and a sort of lightish pink. For the time being, I'm just going to put the blue one on because I really liked the colour, and mainly because it also matches my iPad case, so why not pair them together? And all I'm going to do is literally just put the pink one back into the Apple Pencil case until I fully get a case for my Apple Pencil.
Okay, so it is currently 10:02 and it has finally come, so we're going to open this. Oh my god, I've never been so excited to open this in my life. So I currently have in my hands the iPad Pro. This is the 11-inch because I didn't really want the 12.9 considering I have my MacBook, and I have 128 gigabytes on here. So I actually got the silver because it was so much cheaper. It looks so cute. And then the other thing you obviously get in the box is instructions, as well as charger. Mine's obviously different considering I'm in Britain, so I have to have a 3-pin instead of a 2. So this is my beautiful iPad, and let's undo this. Now we're just going to start this up. So you obviously get 2 in this pack, which is really, really nice and very, very helpful because it can go very wrong. And considering these are expensive, it's quite a good price for getting 2 paperless screen protectors. So we're just going to give this a nice clean.
I just lost my mind. Now I'm losing time. Can't sleep at night. So cold, baby.
Just make sure that it just pretty much lines up, and we'll just apply our little helpers.
You've got me all tied up. You've got your hands around my throat. You've got me in over my head. I'm drowning in the undertow. I've got my fingers crossed. I'm begging, baby, let me go. You've got this captivating touch that's got me coming back for more, more.
So obviously, as you can tell, this screen is very different. As you can see in my camera, there is no glare. As for now, let's set this up.
Your eyes cut like a knife, piercing through mine, leaving me blind. So cold, baby. You got me prisoned, I'm your slave. I gotta give it to you. You got a knack for breaking hearts and breaking spirits slowly over time. You got me all tied up.
So I've recently just got back from college, which is why this video is kind of look really, really weird, and mainly because also my iPad had to take time to update. It had to restore everything from my iCloud and all of that. But for now, we're going to get straight back into this video. We're going to show you the apps that I have on my iPad. Obviously, I'm going to need different apps for different things. I need to buy some new apps. I obviously need to pair my Apple Pencil to it. And then I'm also going to show you guys my screen protector and how the Paperlike actually is. I'll give you guys a proper review on it. Obviously, this isn't obviously sponsored by them, so this is an honest review. But I did watch quite a lot of different videos on if I should get it, if I should get something similar, but I got it in the end. So we're going to give that a test run as well, and hopefully everything will go well. So obviously when you open my beautiful iPad, I already have a aesthetic screen set up. I'll just quickly do the Face ID. Lots of it is actually already pretty much set up, and obviously it adds the extras, and obviously I have this aesthetic background, which is actually a lot better when you turn it sideways. But that's the full background, and obviously I can show you guys how to do it if you guys want to do it. If not, then do use Canva. So let's set up my pen just so that it makes it so much easier to do this.
Sounds
You go as a dream.
quite easy to learn how to do, which is quite cool. So obviously you get the choice of switching your double tap between the current tool and eraser, current tool and velocity used, or color palette, or even off. So I'm just going to leave it with current tool and eraser. So my Apple Pencil is really at 64%, so that's actually quite okay. We're going to turn this off because I'll probably use this to scroll as well. I may change my mind. We will see. So now that that is obviously all done, obviously the scrolling on this is actually really good. Obviously there's no sort of lag or anything. So we're just going to go onto my Procreate, which is another app tool, which is another device. Obviously I already have quite a few things on here that I've just done from previous stuff on. Okay, so since I have my Apple Pencil sorted, I'm one of those people that fully hates it when there is more than one screen. So all I'm going to do is just move all of these. So like I said, I do have obviously the paper screen protector on, and at the minute it's so nice, it's so smooth. At the minute there's nothing wrong with it. Obviously I'll probably end up doing another review near enough around September when I've had more time with it, and maybe even when I'm at college. But for now we're going to go into Procreate and we're just going to do a screen size. So this way we can just... So it is obviously very, very nice. And the double tap works really, really well. Obviously it is quite... So the only difference with the Apple Pencil is you definitely do have to hold it quite upright. And for someone like me who definitely writes quite angled, it can be quite difficult, but at the minute it constantly is good. There's not too much of a hearing when you write compared to when you have like a glass. Like you can definitely hear when you type and all that, or when you write with any pencil. But with this, you can't actually hear what has been written. So it is very, very nice to have, and it's obviously worked really, really well. It sticks nicely into my case. It obviously looks very, very nice. There is no glare on the screen, and obviously the back is very, very nice. Obviously you have all the magnetics on it which allow you to connect to whatever you want. So I'm probably going to end up time-lapsing this next bit, because as well as blurring some of it out, just because I'm going to get rid of some of the apps that I have on here, specifically because I've got this to do university working on that on it.
Soundstripe. Soundstripe.
soundtrack.